Hi friends, this is Lady Flora and Company, and we're on a special mission today. What are we doing today, sweetie?
We're gonna find some falling clouds.
What have you got in your basket?
Leaves.
Yeah, what kind of leaves are those?
Round leaves.
Round leaves. What's that?
It's a flower.
Look at all that stuff.
Maybe it is snowing.
Maybe it is snow.
Yeah, maybe we live in the north. We'll get these for a project.
So this is actually from a tree called the silk floss tree, but it's also called the Kapok tree, and it has a few other names as well. And it's very soft. It's just like the name implies. It's very silky, and these little black things are the seeds. And people have used it to stuff pillows and chair cushions and things like that. That is the little pod that all the silk floss comes out of. Can you turn it around? Yeah, it bursts open, and that's just one of the pieces from it. It bursts open and all the little silk floss comes out of there. And there's some right there on the ground too. You know what they could be? They could be little boats. This is the silk floss tree, otherwise known as the Kapok tree. And a few months ago it was dropping all these enormous bowl-sized flowers all over the ground, and now that it's dropped its flowers, it's dropping all of its seed pods all over the ground. And we come out here at night, and when we go for walks we see them, and they're all soft and fluffy, and we say, oh look, I found a cloud.
I love these clouds. They're fluffy and like that. We're gonna use them for a project, so I love them because they're light and fluffy. I love you. I also love these little white balls that come from the trees.
The Kapok tree is amazing, the silk floss tree, and now we have a basket full of this stuff.
Yeah, I mean the floss tree. The floss tree has those little bits of white clouds on it, then they fall, and then it shoots its pods.
That's right. If you like this video, you can like it. If you want to subscribe for more videos, you can do that. And I would love to hear what you would have to say in the comments below. And our blog is in the description, as well as our Instagram page. So after you subscribe and comment and do all that great stuff, go outside and have a sublime day.